Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a positive note, supported by easing trade tensions between the US and European nations, a surge in the US index futures, and a mixed but stable opening across Asian markets. On the domestic front, several positive cues are supporting the outlook. These include the early arrival of the monsoon, the RBI's record dividend payout of 2.69 lakh crores to the government for FY25, and the Indian rupee strengthening to its best level in nearly 2 weeks, trading below the 85 mark against the US dollar. Additionally, continued FII's inflows remain a key positive. To start with our first segment for Tuesday, 27th May 2025, Nifty index opened positive and saw a strong surge by the bulls above the 25k marks, but witnessed some consolidative move thereafter throughout the day. It moved in the range of the second hour's tick for the rest of the session, and good part is that it managed to hold well above its opening low. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and has now started to form higher highs, higher lows from the last 2 trading sessions. It managed to close just above 25k with gains of around 150 points. India VIX was slightly up by 4.3% to 18 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.06. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,500 zones, while immediate range is in between 24,800 to 25,200 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FII's index long-short ratio increased to 34.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,900 for an up move towards 25,300 zones, while supports have shifted higher to 24,750. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for the next up move towards 56,000 levels, while support can be seen at 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hudco, DV Slab, Solar Industries, Paytm, Godrej Properties, Bajaj Auto, IRFC and Supreme Industries. While some weakness could be seen in ABFRL, Glenmark, Ramco Cements, Indigo, PSOC and United Spirits. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.